Hi everyone, I hope you enjoy this one too. Stay safe.
Over creative differences. He's a big Democratic ad maker, signed on early. That to me looks. Instead of getting out there and doing what you just did, which was look.
Take first, second, and third squads. Sigzil, you've got fourth, fifth, and sixth. Pete, don't think I haven't seen you glowing. You take the other bridgeman. Taft, you take the scouts and...
distance.
Paladin looked around. Where is Taft? He was only just noticing. Could have more thought there, Captain, but he got distracted. How to draw on Stormlight. Before the day is done, I want everyone on this plateau glowing like they swallowed a lantern.
Get him! Get him! Get him!
They broke
Get him!
out.
Yeah!
Translucent red streamer rose from the
cowboy 卡通，哇！佢真係黐線㗎，
claim by using it with your Wi-Fi or internet connection disabled. If you don't believe them or feel like many people do, also doesn't record or store any visuals. So employers only receive an aggregated total number of how many employees sign up to the app, how many use it on a weekly basis, not exactly who those employees are or what time of day we're, Also, the software is designed so you don't have to keep it on all the time. So you can check in just a couple times a day, which may be enough to keep you aware of your posture. Zen says that most users do like a 30 to 60 minute posture session in the morning, maybe another in the afternoon. That's enough to keep people aware of their posture all day, and some say they even think of it at home.
Yes! Instant karma! Dude ran a red light and a cop got him. Oh, that is great.
Es diferente, pero sí está bueno. ¿Qué no es ese?
No más. Don't pull out in front of me. The shit is wrong with you.
Go ahead. See if I care. Straight away my wife steps in. Are you f***ing mental?
Whoa!
Darling, what we have right here is a learning opportunity. This is what they call one of them teachable moments. That's what this is. I've told him not to touch that fence repeatedly. He still wants to touch it. We need
Wow. You're going 35 on the interstate?